How to activate credit card on Simplii Financial. Welcome to Techmates and let's get right into this video. To activate your credit card, you can check out the Simplii website or the mobile app. If you are willing to activate your card through your Simplii website, just search for simplii.com. From here, you can select on the credit card option. Simplii will provide you various of credit card options that you can select and apply for. Make sure that to check the details so that you can find if it's appropriate for you. Tap on the Apply Now button and select on Yes. You'll be directed to a new page where you have to log in into your account, so go ahead and log in by using your card number and password. Once logged in into your account, you can check for apply for a card. So firstly, apply for the card. If you already have a card and looking for a way to activate, just find the option Activate next to your new card. By tapping on the Activate option, you'll be able to easily activate your Simplii card. Second option is through your Simplii mobile app. Open up the app and log in into your account. In the menu section, check for credit card or account management. You may find the option of activation in the activation section. Just select on it and with a simple click, you have activated your Simplii card. If the process does not work for you, contact the Simplii customer service. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.